The idiot who was dumb enough to jump into a tub of cement.
Hey, we all mess up.
I'm the guy who died in a block of cement trying to impress a girl. I'm like Han Solo. In Star Wars, he was encased in carbonite. How would they face anyone at the funeral?
Okay, Andrew, you're gonna make a lot of mistakes in your life, but mistakes they're just pieces. Like, this is the foolish piece, but, you know, it's just a piece. You need to be proud of the whole picture. The whole picture defines you, not just this one piece.
I'm a loser. I'm a loser. I'm a loser. I'm a loser.
Yeah, come on. Andrew? Andrew, hey, listen to me. Han Solo is not a loser. Han Solo got encased in carbonite, and that was a big mess, but that's not what he's remembered for. He's remembered as the guy who made the Kessel Run in less than 12 parsecs, and who braved the sub-zero temperatures of the ice planet Hoth in order to save someone he cared about from the big ugly Wampa. He's remembered as the guy who swooped down at the last minute, blasted Darth Vader out of the sky so that Luke could use the Force and destroy the damn Death Star. Okay, Princess Leia saved him from the carbonite. And they fell in love, and they saved the universe, and had twin Jedi babies that went on to save the universe again. Right? Now, that's the whole picture. The carbonite was just a piece. Okay? Well, so I like science fiction. Somebody got a problem with that?
No. It's great.
Do what you're doing.